araw! Welcome to a new episode ng URC Flour Presents Masa Serye with Chef I. I am Chef Aileen Asilong, also known as Chef I. Ako ang sandigan ng masa pagdating sa pagmamasa. Samahan niyo po akong alamin at aralin ang amazing wonders of baking with URC Flour. Our masa serye recipe for today is very interesting dahil gagawa tayo ng sweet kamote buns. Using simple ingredients and easy to follow procedures, we will be baking this chewy and appetizing sweet kamote buns. Para gawin ang ating special sweet kamote buns, kailangan natin ang mga sumusunod na ingredients. To start, in a mixing bowl, dissolve sugar in 350 grams water. Mix in eggs, milk powder, and URC blend 100 hard flour and boiled sweet kamote until it forms into a rough ball. Cover with plastic wrap and let it sit at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes until gluten forms. Window pane stage. I suggest nga buhato ng pagsulay sa window pane aron masusi ang pagporma sa gluten. Pagkuhag usa ka piraso sa minasa ug ituyod kini taliwala sa imong mga kamot. Kung ang minasa dili magisi ug makita ang pinakanipis nga bahin sa minasa, pasabot andam na kini. Mix in yeast into 50 grams water until totally incorporated. Then add them to the dough. Add salt and mix continuously until it reaches the final window pane stage. Add butter and continue mixing. Knead for 5 minutes until it forms a soft ball. Transfer dough in a bowl coated with butter, then cover with plastic. Ferment the dough for 45 minutes. Take the dough out of the bowl and do the stretch and folding technique to develop the gluten. Cover and let it rest for 15 minutes. Cut into desired size of dough and form into a bun. Final proofing until it doubles its size. Then bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. Our sweet kamote buns are done and all ready to be served. This is a good idea for parents out there who want to bake their children something yummy and that will also fill their tummy for a long-lasting energy. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin ngayong araw. Abangan nyo ang iba pa nating mga baking recipes na itatampok dito lang yan sa ating URC Flour Presents Masa Serye with Chef I. Magkita-kita tayo muli sa susunod na episode. Abangan nyo rin ang ating para sa masa tips ni Chef I sa URC Flour FB Reels at YouTube Shorts para sa aking ibabahaging baking tips and information sa inyo. Visit and follow URC Flour social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, and URC Flour website for the full recipes and join the community page of URC Bakers. Muli, ako po si Chef I, ang sandigan ng masa. Hanggang sa susunod nating Masa Serye episode,